There's a powerful retirement planning option that many Americans haven't explored: a precious metals IRA. Today, we're diving into the 4 precious metals that could help secure your financial future. Let's start with gold, the classic choice. For thousands of years, gold has been humanity's go-to store of value. It's not just beautiful, it's incredibly versatile, finding its way into everything from advanced electronics to sophisticated medical devices. But what really sets gold apart is its historical role as a safe haven during economic uncertainty. When traditional currency markets face challenges, gold maintains its purchasing power. Then there's silver, gold's more affordable cousin. Don't let its lower price fool you. Silver is an industrial powerhouse, essential in solar panels, electric vehicles, and countless other technologies. As our world becomes more tech-dependent, silver's dual role as both a precious and industrial metal makes it uniquely positioned for the future. Moving up the rarity scale, we find platinum. This silvery white metal is truly exceptional. It's 30 times rarer than gold. Primarily used in catalytic converters, platinum plays a crucial role in reducing vehicle emissions. With growing environmental concerns and stricter regulations, platinum's importance in the automotive industry isn't going anywhere. Finally, we have palladium, perhaps the most intriguing of the 4. Like platinum, it's essential for clean air technology, but here's what makes it special. Palladium is experiencing an acute supply shortage just as demand is soaring. This perfect storm of market conditions has made palladium a fascinating option for those looking to diversify their retirement portfolio. Each of these metals brings unique diversification to your IRA. But here's what makes them truly powerful. While market volatility or interest rates can affect traditional investments, physical precious metals have intrinsic value. This independence makes them an effective wealth preservation tool. The best part? You can set up a precious metals IRA in a few steps. First, you transfer funds from existing retirement accounts without tax penalties. Then you purchase the precious metals you want. And finally, we store your metals in a secure facility. The key is working with reputable dealers who understand IRS requirements for precious metals IRAs. Want to learn more about precious metals for your retirement strategy? Visit birchgold.com for your free information kit and discover how these 4 remarkable metals could help protect your financial future.